It is Nikki here with another thrift haul. It's quite sizable. I went to the Salvation Army, Value Village, and Plato's Closet. So it's kind of like a 3-in-1. But yeah, let's get started. So yeah, let's get going because I have some really good stuff. First thing, because it's right here, is this hooded dryer that I picked up. It's Vidal Sassoon. I needed it just because the one I had, I gave it away and some years ago, and regrettably I did. I didn't think I needed it, but I actually do. So I didn't want to put out $100 for a hooded dryer because that's what they go for here. So I was very happy to find this one for $6.99 at the Salvation Army. I plugged it in, it seemed to work, and I'm just gonna run with it. It really comes in handy for what do you call it, like deep conditioning, and just if you have a style like this is like perm rods that I had put in my hair. This is my own hair, not a wig, and if you want to dry it fast, you can just hop under your hooded dryer and you're good to go. Okay, so since we're at the Salvation Army, let's keep going in that direction. I found, and this one was in the next town north of me, in a new market. So I picked this plaid shirt up. I have enough plaid shirts, but I actually like the red in this one. I like the colors, the plaid in this, and it was $6.99. So really cute. Can't have enough plaid shirts here, and it's actually flannel, so it's actually quite warm, and it was only $6.99. All of this stuff came up to like all the, what do you call it, the Salvation Army stuff for this haul came up to about $60, but I had a $10 coupon, so it was like $50. I didn't plan to spend so much, guys. I didn't plan to spend so much, but I mean, I just got out of hand. You know how it goes. On this Adidas top, I might put it on my eBay to sell, but who knows, because these are really handy here. But I really love the color. It was in great condition. It's a woman's Adidas track top, and I just love the color combination. It was a size large, so you can layer up under it. It was $9.99. This I was really excited about because I'm like, actually, it's brand new. It's some workout clothing, and I loved it because of what I am gonna show you right now. Okay, so this is the top. It's from Joe Fresh. It came as a set, so it was $14.99 for the top and the bottom. Just a typical regular workout top, tank top with a mesh at the back. Very pretty, but what caught my eye was the bottom. And as I said, they're brand new, because this is the Joe Fresh tags on it. Doesn't have a price. They ripped the price off. It's Joe Fresh active, but check this out. The ruffles at the bottom of the pant. I mean, talk about we can wear this casually, just running to get errands or canoodling with that special someone. Just kidding. This is so stupid. But I mean, I just love the ruffles at the bottom. I have never seen that in a workout bottom, so this will give me some incentive to work out, but I'll be rocking this casually. Imagine this with like a denim jacket or just a lightweight raincoat type thing. I don't know, but with sneakers we're good. We're so good. So the set was $14.99 and it was brand new, so that kind of raised the threshold of my purchase there. So that was why I paid so much at the Salvation Army, although there's no tax. I found this white long sleeve t-shirt in a large, which, listen, this could go under that track top, the Adidas top, and it was brand new too. And I cannot stress enough the importance, the light is going, guys, I have to put my lamp down, of having white tops. You cannot have enough of these, and I am so happy to have gotten this. It was $5.99. It is from George, which is a brand from Walmart. All right, so last but not least for that trip, I found this top from Talbot's, And I just love the color. If you notice, I'm in bright pink hair, neon pink, but this is like a bright peach. But what I love about it, and I wouldn't have gotten it had it not been for this knot at the bottom. I just think this is cool. This is fresh. This would be nice under a navy blazer, or just casually we could rock this. And this was $6.99. Cannot go wrong with those prices, guys. What else? I seem to be going pretty fast. Oh, I actually got this maxi kilt, which I adore, because you know I love a plaid. I do love a kilt style skirt, but even more so I was looking for a maxi skirt in a kilt, because my idea for this is to rock it with like a denim shirt. Today I wore it with a Ralph Lauren navy shirt that I have. I actually wore it to church today, actually. The problem is that the waist is way too small, but because it's a wrap, I definitely moved the waist around and just pinned it to where I needed it to get closure. And it also has a humongous safety pin, so one of those kilt pins. But yeah, this is it, guys. It is actually floor length, and it has some beautiful dramatic pleating at the back, which is so lovely. And look at it, it's long, long, long. So I love this, and I can't wait to lose some weight so I can actually button this up properly. But it looks fabulous today. And my church, it's predominantly a British and Scottish background, and they were dying over that. I mean, much older white folks, and they really loved it. So I loved it, and I intend to get a lot of good. And it's so warm because it's still pretty cold here. It was -5 this morning, so all I did was slipped that on, a pair of boots and some tights, and I was good to go, and I could wear a short jacket with it. But I absolutely loved that. Another time where did I go to the Salvation Army? At some other time before this visit, I got this robe, because you know me, I'm into like bathwear. This is like one of those luxe kind of velour velvet type cuddly coats that are so cozy. It's in great condition. It's from Claudel, which is one of these major lingerie brands in the major department stores here. So I love this color. Don't have anything like this in a teal, so I grabbed it, and it was $9.99. Went to Value Village at some point, don't remember when. I think, yeah, if you watch me on Instagram, I did an Instagram live or an Instagram story where I was waiting yesterday to go to my eye doctor. So before, I was really early, so I went to the Value Village, and I picked up this. I found two things. I picked up this nice white shirt. I love a white shirt because you can do so much with it. I was happy. No, I'm lying. This is from the Salvation Army in my area. So this was $11.99. It's a kind of bit too much, but I think I used a coupon. I'm not sure. But what I love about it too is the back is like semi-open, but it has the tie at the back, which is very unique. Because typically the tie is at the front, like that other Talbot's top that I just showed you. So I was happy to get this, and along with it I got this little figurine thing of an elephant, which is adorable. I like the colors. I like elephants, although one of my Hindu friends told me that I should never get elephants with a downturned trunk because it's bad luck. But I'm like, the elephant has a calf, so how evil could he or she be? Like, come on. So I just love the color, and I just like these little elephant figurines and stuff. It just, I don't know, I just love them. But this was only $1.99. So last but not least, guys, I went to, on my way back from New Market yesterday, I stopped at Plato's Closet in that area. So I usually shop at the one in my area, but I decided to shop at this one because I usually look out pretty well there, and I did get some really cute pieces. So one of the things I got was this shirt. It's like a denim, like a heavy thick cotton shirt from the Gap. I remember when these were in the stores and they were hella expensive. I'm not sure why they were, but they were. And this is a size large, and it's like a rose pink denim shirt. It's heavier than denim, but it's just that thick, not even chambray, because chambray is softer, but it's just a nice kind of utility shirt. I love it because it's a good size. I love the fact that it has epaulets, and epaulets are my thing. If you don't know me, yeah, now you know. Epaulets are one of those things that I go crazy for. So love this, and I love the color, and I just love that I can wear this with regular denim and this will be a hit. So this was a great treasure, and I paid $18 for it, which it's Plato's Closet, so you're gonna get better things, so the prices is gonna be a little bit up there. So I got this skirt, and I thought, why not? Because it's Free People, and Free People is very expensive, and I think it's from their beachwear line. But what it is, it's a drawstring kind of drawstring skirt with these cording at the side, which is so pretty, and it's like in this sweat top material, sweats material, and I love it. It's gray. I think it's beachwear, pretty much. It still has the original tags on. This I might sell on my eBay site, and it was $78 originally. Yeah, so I love it. It has pockets at the back, but I think even for myself for vacation, if I choose to keep it, this would be great with just a crop tank top, with your flip-flops, your sandals, and you're done. Okay, coming out to the pool, you can put this over your swimsuit and you'll be fine. But I love this, and I couldn't believe they sold this for $12, because the retail price on it, there's Free People, is $78, and Free People ain't cheap. And this thing was $78 at Free People. So we'll see if I keep it or not. I've been having a lot of good luck with selling a lot, clearing out my closet. Mostly the stuff that I've purchased from retail store, and I have made like quite a bit of money over the past year selling stuff on eBay. Like, you wouldn't believe what people buy, but my things are usually in very good condition. They're usually semi-designer or designer stuff, so I usually put them up. And even today I came home and there was a sale for an all-low pair of boots, which I have the box over there, but I shipped it as soon as I got home. But I mean, things, if you want to clear out your closet, spring cleaning and everything, try and look through your stuff. The good stuff that you have, or even if it's gently used, put it on eBay. It's better than having it sit there, and at least you can make some money off of it. You're not going to get what you originally paid for it, but definitely it's something that you can recover some of the money, because sometimes, you know, you buy some stuff that you just never wear for whatever reason. So that's my tip to you guys. Get into it. So another thing I got was this nice, again, flannel shirt, but this one is from Wilfred. I probably wear this to work for casual Fridays, plain and simple. But I got it because it's comfortable and nice and soft and flannelly, and also because it's good quality based on the name. It's Wilfred, and the price was hella cheap compared to what it is in the retail store. So this is $14. Shirt like this would probably about $80 on in Aritzia. So I think I lucked out there. So last but not least, I don't know when I'm going to be wearing this. I can't go on the beach. I love the beach. I grew up on a beach, right, in Jamaica. So it's like, there's no point in me going on vacation and having a beach vacation and not being able to swim. So this I love because it's my favorite brand. I'm stripes over swipes. I'm an Adidas girl, and I found this cute crop top. This is size large, but I love it. I will be saving it for then as goals, as a nice crop top thing to wear on vacation with, you know, some loose bottoms or something. But I just like the tropical print of it. It's pink. It's green, it has foliage, and I love foliage on anything, and it's all Adidas. I really love this, and it was $14. So I mean, I'm sure it can fit me, but I need to kind of flatten out right here a little bit more, and that is my goal for going on vacation. I need to be able to feel comfortable, even in a crop top. I think that was it for my thrift haul, guys. I'm just looking around because this was hella short, but yeah, stay tuned, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought. And again, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Every time that I do a video, I'm just amazed at the input and the fact that you guys miss me when I'm not around, and the fact that I can actually share these things with you guys. So take care, guys. Love you, and have a good week. Today's Sunday.